Okay, let's take a look at this extra credit problem for week 2. We have a car depreciated, which means it's decreasing in value, by 25% during the first year. If the car were purchased for $28,000, what is the car worth at the end of the first year? Okay, so let's change these numbers a little bit. So we're going to say we purchased the car for $40,000, and it's going to depreciate 20%. Okay, so what we want to do here is we first want to find 20% of 40,000. So we're going to go 20% of 40,000. Okay, to do a percent, multiply by percent, you want to convert this to a decimal. So you can either just take this 20, which has an implied decimal point right here, and move it 2 places to the left, right here. Or you can do 20 divided by 100, which would give you 0.20. And I will show you that on a calculator. 20 divided by 100, 0.2. Okay, so 0.2, 0.20. So then what we're going to want to do is 0.20 of, again, means multiply. So I'm just going to use this dot here for multiplication, 40,000. Okay, so we can do 0.20 times 40,000. We can set that up with the long multiplication. And we can go through and we can do our multiplication for this. There's going to be a lot of zeros as we go through here. So 0 for this whole thing, 0 times all of this. Come down to the 2. So 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 2 times 4. Okay, and then you have 2 decimal places, so that's going to go right here for the 2 decimal places. So 8,000 for this. Again, check it in your calculator if you'd like. 0.20 times 40,000, 8,000. Okay, so 8,000 is how much the car depreciated, but we want to know what the car is worth at the end of the first year. So then what you're going to do is take that 40,000, subtract 8,000, and that's going to give you 32,000 for what the car is worth at the end of the first year. So those are the steps you're going to follow to find the answer for this extra credit problem.